Understand natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is the area of AI that deals with creating software that understands written and spoken language. NLP enables you to create software that can analyze and interpret text in documents, email messages, and other sources, interpret spoken language, and synthesize speech responses, automatically translate spoken or written phrases between languages, interpret commands, and determine appropriate actions. For example, Starship Commander is a virtual reality VR game from Human Interact that takes place in a science fiction world. The game uses natural language processing to enable players to control the narrative and interact with in-game characters and Starship systems. Watch the following video to learn more.
So think about this. How often are you alive when the dawn of a new medium comes out? I knew that I had to be a part of VR because there are no rules for what VR should be. Starship Commander is a choose-your-own-adventure VR narrative that uses natural language processing, so you can actually have a real conversation with the characters.
I'm Sergeant Sarah Pearson. I've been assigned to your wing today.
When we started making Starship Commander, we had to figure out, how do we get technology that can understand what a person's saying so that we can have these new narrative experiences? We're a science fiction game. We come up with new words. No off-the-shelf software could let us put in custom words.
Who are the Echnians?
In our story, the bad guys are called the Echnians. And every time we said Echnian, it would come up with really weird words that were similar to other things that you would say. And so it would get confused all the time. So we needed to make sure that we could supply our own script. We started using Microsoft Cognitive Services to power the back end of Starship Commander.
Looks cool.
Once we plugged custom speech service into Starship Commander, I had tears in my eyes when I was playing it because it's like, oh my God, this is it. This is the experience we want.
Open the hatch.
Voice print accepted. Welcome, Commander.
You can essentially put your script in there and it knows, oh, these are the ways that people are gonna talk. And these are the phrases that they're gonna say.
Cool. What's my mission?
Must be something pretty important.
And then the second thing too was the intent detection. With Lewis, you basically give it a couple statements. After you've given it a couple statements, you crunch it and you start typing in your own statements, and it's shockingly scary how good it picks up even stuff that you didn't put in there.
Computer, use autopilot and let's be on our way.
Autopilot engaging.
I've never seen an opportunity like this, where there's a wide open playing field, no one's written the rules yet, there's going to be tons of amazing software out there, and I just can't wait to see what other people write.
Natural language processing in Microsoft Azure. You can use Microsoft's Azure AI language to build natural language processing solutions. Some features of Azure AI language include understanding and analyzing text, training conversational language models that can understand spoken or text-based commands, and building intelligent applications. Microsoft's Azure AI Speech is another service that can be used to build natural language processing solutions. Azure AI Speech features include speech recognition and synthesis, real-time translations, conversation transcriptions, and more. You can explore Azure AI language features in the Azure Language Studio and Azure AI Speech features in the Azure Speech Studio. The service features are available for use and testing in the studios and other programming languages.